Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed the assignment number 2 based on sequence of tenses in our Zoom class. So whoever don't have facility of this platform, you know very well we are sending video as well. So in this video I am discussing for these students. The assignment number 2 based on sequence of tenses. So here, when I will discuss the sentence, you are learning how to do, apart from this, your rules for sequence of tenses are also being revised. So you are getting double benefit here. So let's begin. Sentence number 1. I will not help until he dash for it. I will not help until he dash for it. You may refer to the assignment sent to you, or you have done in your notebook. See here, the tense of the principal clause is in future tense, and subordinate clause here expresses time. So you know the rule. If subordinate clause expresses condition or time, this is always in present tense if principal clause is in future. Principal clause and subordinate clause generally both are not in future. Okay? Principal clause is in future and subordinate clause is in present tense. So here I will not help until he asks for it. Come to sentence number 2. She boasted as if she had known everything. See here, the subordinate clause begins with as if. So if the sentence begins with, if subordinate clause begins with as if or as though, and if principal clause is in past tense, then the subordinate clause will be in past perfect tense. And if you find principal clause in present tense and the subordinate clause begins with as if or as though, then subordinate clause will be in simple past. And there will be generally no, there will be never was. Always in subordinate clause there will be were. Doesn't matter what the subject is, whether it is I, whether it is you, whether it is they, always there will be were. Okay? So here this is past tense, so subordinate clause will be past perfect. So that plus V3. So she, as if she had known everything. But did she really know everything? No. She didn't know anything. She boasted as if she had known everything. Now sentence number 3. My uncle told me that he may, my uncle told me that he dash a good profit. So here again, principal clause is past tense. So tense of subordinate clause will be accordingly. But we have to leave the tense subordinate clause unchanged. If there is fear that meaning may change. So see here, my uncle told me there are many possibilities that I have written for you. So first of all, think original dialogue. What the uncle must have said. I make a good profit. Suppose this thing, I make good profit. I am making good profit. I made a good profit. I have made a good profit. This may be the dialogue. Accordingly, you will change. I have changed for you. My uncle told me that he made a good profit. Or my uncle told me that he had made a good profit. Or if he says, I am making a good profit, then my uncle told me that he was making a good profit. Sentence number 4. He called me as many times as he dash. Again here, principal clause is past tense. So, subordinate called me the past tense only. So, he called me as many times as he wanted. He wanted, okay? Sentence number 5. She wrote as fast as she could. Here. She wrote as fast as she dashed. In bracket this is can. So here again, principal clause in past tense. So can will change into could. So she wrote as fast as she could. 6. I knew the doctor who dashed here. In bracket this is no. So again here this is past tense. In principal clause this is past tense. So tense of subordinate clause will be according to the principal clause. See here, I knew the doctor who came here. Number 7. He pretends as if he were blind. I have already explained the rules. See here, we have principal clause is in present tense and subordinate clause begins with as if. I have told you to put there use were or in simple past tense. So here we have put were. Here was is not possible. You cannot say as if he was blind. Always there will be were. If you find tense of principal clause in present tense and subordinate clause begins with as if or as though. 8. You will be glad to know that I have won the competition. See here, principal clause is in future tense. So it's subordinate clause in present tense. We have put in present tense. So here have plus V3. This is present perfect tense, but this is present tense. So you will be glad to know that I have won the competition. Number 9. He assured me that he would repair my watch. Here the bracket is in will. So he assured me. Again here tense of principal clause is past. So will be equivalent past. What will be equivalent past of will? Good. So what was his dialogue? I will repair your watch. So he assured me that he would repair my watch. Number 10 and last. He works hard so that he may get the scholarship. Look here. The subordinate clause expresses purpose. So here, if subordinate clause expresses purpose and tense of the principal clause is present, then subordinate clause has may or can. So he works hard so that he may get the scholarship. If had principal clause been in past tense, then what is the rule? May would have changed into might, can would have changed into could. So here he works hard so that he may get the scholarship. In this way, we have completed discussion of assignment 2 based on sequence of tenses, and your homework is that you will go through chapter 5, that is comparison of adjective, and you will learn the rules from your book. I am going to send you PDF pages also as well. I am going to send you PDF pages as well, and PDF page of this answer also you will get. And be sure you send me the work of sequence of tenses. I have given you 2 assignments, assignment 1 and 2. Please send me. And soon I will give you the test of this chapter. So, enjoy your learning. Bye-bye.